Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most unique and futuristic vehicles in the world of compact adventure travel. The futuristic off-road micro-camper van with an adventure-ready design. At first glance, this van looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But it's real. And it's built for the modern explorer. Its bold aerodynamic shell and compact frame hide a ton of smart engineering beneath the surface. Built on a sturdy 4x4 chassis, it's designed to handle everything from city streets to remote off-grid trails with confidence and control. The exterior is all about function meeting form. With its matte finish, high ground clearance, and rugged all-terrain tires, this camper van can go places that most RVs wouldn't dare. The LED lighting setup, reinforced bumpers, and roof-mounted cargo box all hint at serious adventure capability. And the side awning provides an instant shaded campsite wherever you stop. Perfect for taking in the view after a long day of driving. Now let's step inside. The interior design is a masterclass in space efficiency and modern comfort. Every inch of the cabin has been optimized for functionality. You'll find a compact kitchenette equipped with a sink, stove, and mini fridge, plenty of hidden storage compartments, and modular seating that converts easily into a comfortable sleeping area. The materials are a blend of warm wood textures, matte black fixtures, and durable fabrics, a combination that feels both premium and rugged. Lighting plays a big role here too. Soft LED strips line the ceiling and cabinets, creating a cozy and relaxing atmosphere for evenings inside. A central digital control panel lets you manage lights, temperature, and battery power with just a touch, bringing smart home convenience to the off-grid lifestyle. In terms of usability, the van is surprisingly easy to drive. The compact size makes it maneuverable in tight areas, while the suspension and tires provide excellent performance on uneven terrain. Whether you're heading into the mountains, the desert, or just a weekend at the coast, this camper feels right at home. What really sets it apart is how it redefines what micro can mean. It's not just a downsized RV, it's a completely new category of mobile living designed for independence, sustainability, and exploration. So, if you're someone who dreams of taking the road less traveled, but still wants the comfort and style of a high-end camper, this futuristic off-road microvan might just be your next adventure companion. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth